Hello everyone. Today I wanted to talk to you about how to get over worry and how to use this thing I'm going to call positive worry to do it. Now, a lot of problems that occur when people are like really trying to change their lives, really trying to become more enlightened, trying to succeed, anything they're really trying to do is they have this problem of worry. Now, our society is really promoted from an early age that we should worry about this, worry about getting into college, worry about getting good grades, worry about getting a good job, worry about like staying at the right company, worry about this not being perfect, worry about our children, worry about our spouse, worry about this, worry about that. Should we do this? Should we do that? Worry, worry, worry. Okay? And we know that worry is a fearful emotion, that it comes out of doubt. And as Napoleon Hill says in Think and Grow Rich, doubt and indecision end up crystallizing into fear. And fear of our two basic emotions. Fear is the evil one, fear is the fearful one, all that kind of stuff, who is always trying to bring us down, while love is always trying to lift us up. If you haven't seen my video on the fear-love dichotomy, then watch that one, because I think that one explains the emotionality of that pretty well. Regardless of that, when it comes to just this fear that we have, it really has this worry just feeds into it, okay? And nobody likes to worry. So worryful emotions just make you feel like you're worrying about things, like you're doubtful, like you're not going to be able to achieve it. And worry just ruins your life. So many people have worry all the time. There's even the psychological condition you might have heard of called GAD, Generalizable Anxiety Disorder, I believe there. And this one is basically defined as constant worry. Somebody who can't turn off their worry. It just goes all the time. And there's no solution for them. And that's just like a horrible life you never want to live. Now, when it comes to worry, okay, one of the best forces we can fight worry off with is something called positive worry. So when we find ourselves worrying about something, what we can do is we can flip it on our opponent, worry, and defeat it. This is how I was able to accomplish a lot when it comes to some of my writings. Like I was worried about if I was going to have time. I was working a job out in a cornfield at one point a few years back. Just for a little bit of summer fun, and actually the people there were pretty cool and whatnot. But anyway, so I was working this job, and it was taking a lot of my time, and then I was worried that I wouldn't have time to work on my novel in the afternoon. So I was having this worry out in the cornfield of, oh no, what if I am, failing here? What if I can't write a chapter for my novel today? But then I could flip it back on worry. I used this technique I learned about, and I want to give it to you. I used positive worry. And then I said, oh no, what if I write 2 chapters for my novel? Oh no, what if it works out? Now, worry really dwells on the idea of the things that we don't want, but it really gets us to visualize it because there's this idea of negative affirmation. When we say we don't want something, it's actually very powerful, okay? This is why, when you go to the corner, the person says, go to the corner and don't think about a white bear, then that person is going to go to the corner and they're likely going to think about the white bear because they're trying not to. This trying not to phenomenon can actually be useful here, though, because we try not to worry, but that doesn't really work because then we just worry more. But we can entirely replace the issue by instead using positive worry. So as soon as we have the, oh no, I'm not going to be able to write my chapter today, instead I use it as, oh no, maybe I'm going to write 2 chapters today. Oh no, that would be so bad if I accomplished 2 chapters, not 1. Oh no, what if I accomplish 5 chapters? What if I finish the whole novel today? Those kind of ideas just give us positivity, and they naturally replace the need to worry. So you can use this for anything. You say, I'm working on trading, and my strategy's not panning out well, and everything's kind of losing and stuff, because I was having an experience with that not too long ago. And then I was having this worry of, oh no, what if my strategy's going to fail? What if this is not going to work out? What if I can't get the compounding going? Oh no. And then instead I thought, oh no, what if this strategy works out? What if I come up with a brand new strategy? What if I get test data for this? What if then I fix the old strategy a little bit better? What if this? What if that? And it's just saying, it's trying to flip the worry against it. So whatever the worry's weapon is, flip it around and say that and try to worry about it. Because when you try to worry about positive things, you end up just feeling positive, because really all you're doing is giving yourself positive affirmations. Giving you that feeling of, oh no, what if this great thing happens? Oh yeah, that great thing's going to happen. That kind of natural changing of your beliefs and that. And when you change your thoughts one at a time by flipping them on worry, of saying oh no, what if I can't study for the test? Instead saying, oh no, what if I study really well and I get a great grade on it? All it is you just flip whatever the worry is, make it 2 or 3 times bigger, and say it in the positive. Oh no, what if this great thing happens? When you use this, you can thought by thought change your worry, and slowly this will chip away at fear and eventually overall defeat it and give you a greater life of positivity, happiness, and achievement. That's about it for this video on positive worry. I will see you guys next time with the next video. So stay tuned, and I'll see you then.